Hi everyone, my name is Kristi and today I have a very exciting Walmart makeup haul to show you. I am so excited about all these products. I just spent $166 on makeup at Walmart and I pretty much focused on all new products and products that were really intriguing, a little bit different, so we've got a lot in here. I have to say, I don't really shop for makeup at Walmart, but I think I've been missing out because I'm so excited about the products here, and just in my research, Walmart does seem to have the lowest prices pretty much on drugstore makeup and an amazing selection. So I'm just gonna jump right in, reach in for a handful of products, and so let's start here. There is a new e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. The packaging got a little ripped, but I checked to make sure that it didn't seem like it had been swatched. So I think I got the last one in this shade, Fair 150C. I love e.l.f. products and I love the e.l.f. Camo line. There's like a CC cream, a concealer, of course, multiple concealers, I think. So I'm excited about this new powder foundation. Pretty much all of the new products that were being advertised, I picked up because they just all sounded so exciting. Like this one here, Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. I got the Hydrate version. There were 3 different versions and they all sounded awesome, but my skin's been very dry lately and of course I'm intrigued by the pink. Like, I like the packaging. This is glass. By the way, if you're not familiar with my channel, I have a series here on YouTube where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'm going to be doing full dedicated review videos on all of these makeup products. So if there's any that you're extra excited for me to try out first, just let me know in the comments down below. And if you have tried any of these products, I love to hear in the comments what your thoughts are on them. And then from Revlon, the new Eyes Wide Open Lifted High Volume Mascara, which has conditioning cannabis sativa hemp seed oil. I love trying out mascaras. And then this looks really fun from NYX. It's the Plump Right Back with Electrolytes Plumping Serum and Primer. Just intrigued, and of course the packaging caught my eye for sure. And I have such a range of different brands and all brands that I really love. Another NYX product, I'm so intrigued by this. This is the Shine Loud Goal Getter, I think. But it was advertised as a no transfer lip gloss. And it looks like it's dual ended, like a glossy side and like the color side. So I'm excited to see what that's all about. And a lot of the times when I buy makeup, I buy it online, but I have to say it's fun seeing like the colors right in front of me. And like, I know with this one, I was going back and forth with a bunch of different shades of which one I want to get, but I will say there's not as much of a shade range when shopping in person versus online. But like this here, I just had to get it for the color. This is from Profusion. It's Bright Lights UV Neon Liner. And this hot pink, one of my friends is having a bachelorette party soon and the theme is disco. So like neon colors, and I'm like, this sounds perfect for that. And then this NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I'm just very intrigued by what a concealer serum is going to be like. And I was surprised by the price points of NYX. Like, I would say they're one of the more expensive brands at Walmart, and I always thought of it as one of the less expensive brands. Another NYX product that I picked up is the Thicket Thickening Brow Mascara. I'm not too sure if I'm going to love this because I'm not super into like a bushy brow, but you know, the marketing caught my attention, so we'll see. I picked up some pretty eyeshadow palettes like this one here from Profusion, the Terrific Tulip 5-shade palette. Just looks like some fun colors, and Profusion is very affordable. And then this sounds cool, the Maybelline Perfector 4-in-1 Whipped Matte Makeup Primer, Powder, Concealer, and BB Cream. I love a multitasking product, and I love a complexion, like foundation, face type of product. So I'm very excited about that. Milani had, I think it might have been Walmart exclusive, their Flora Collection, and this is the eyeshadow palette in it, and it just looks so beautiful. I don't know if I've tried out Milani eyeshadows, but I really like the brand Milani, and these shades I think look so pretty, and I love playing around with colorful eyeshadow palettes like this, so I'm very excited about that. Probably one of the most expensive products I got. And then from Maybelline, I picked up this Tattoo Studio Brow Lift Stick in the shade Blonde. Seems just a little different, and I love trying out brow products, and so if it's a different type of like format of brow product, I'm just very intrigued. Definitely seems like it's going after more of that like feathered brow look, which is not really what I'm into, but I'm still very excited to try this out, and maybe I could get on the feather brow look type of trend. This mascara seemed to be everywhere. From Maybelline, it's the Colossal Curl and Bounce Mascara, and like I was saying, I just love to try out mascaras, especially drugstore mascaras, and I still have more products in the bag here. So from NYX, along with this kind of like neon line, I got the This Is Juice Gloss Electrolyte Infused Color. And this is the Watermelon Sugar. And then from Revlon, the new and improved Color Stay Day to Night. They had a bunch of different shade little quads, and looks like these are the types of shades that I find myself wearing most often, so this looks really pretty. And I also got from Revlon the Color Stay Matte Light Crayon. So I just really love long-lasting lip products. Those are the ones that grab my attention, intrigue me the most. So this one's supposed to be super long-lasting, along with that NYX one. So really excited to put this to the test, and all of these products to the test. I have so many exciting products in front of me right now. I don't even know where I want to start when it comes to trying these, but I just felt like I wanted some new makeup, get some exciting new products. A lot's been coming out lately, so I think I have a lot here that's going to be so fun to try. So I hope you enjoyed this little preview into what's going to be coming soon on my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.